Hey everyone, so I don't know about you, but I'm stuck on stylish coordinating masks and cool aviators. What you guys are here for is the other one, so let's get into that today. That is going to be another one from Vuarnet. Of course, these are what I have the most access to, so that's what we do the most of the reviews on sunglasses on. But this one is one of their long-standing aviator models. This is the Swing 1611, completely manufactured in titanium, which even with the glass front lenses makes it a really nice, strong, durable frame. Now, one thing I do want you to pay attention to on this model is these more ergonomic temple designs. They fit down really nicely down behind the ears without causing a lot of stress points. You can see it's got that nice, classic teardrop shape to it, which fits well behind the ears, really increases the comfort, but also with that added thickness at the end, balances that frame front out better, so even with the glass lenses being where most of the weight is, you don't get a lot of that thrown off balance that causes it to slip down, throw forward, or do anything weird. So with a proper adjustment, these can still fit really, really well. And of course, this is the true classic aviator shape. You've got that very nice teardrop all the way to the bottom. Been around for decades. I don't need to tell you how an aviator is supposed to look, right? And of course, you've got the classic double bar here. Very nice, thin, round, unlike the one we talked about last week. Just very basic shape there. This is really about that classic aviator style. Now, I mentioned this one is extremely lightweight because of that titanium manufacturing. Even though we do have the glass lenses, you still get a frame that weighs in about 20 grams even with these lenses. So of course there's a lot of different colorways and different lenses you can get this one in. I am a big fan of it. But back to the temple design. So again, we've got that ergonomic temple tip, and it just flows into a very thin piece all the way up to the front, where of course you have the very nice hinge. And what I do like about these when they are closed, and this is really unusual to see in a titanium, is you do have a nice seamless from front to temple. You can't really feel that too much when you're getting into it right there. And then of course, what's really nice on a titanium frame, where you can kind of tell the men from the boys and the lookalikes and the wannabes, is where the front attaches to the temple. And of course the bar, how that attachment is made here. You see there is not a huge piece of solder hanging out there. It's very nice and cleanly done. You've got just that little teardrop you can see from the back side of where that attaches. So even from the front, you're not going to see it. For the bottom on the temples, again, the same thing. That really is not going to be any sort of noticeable flux or solder there. Just a very, very nice joint. I haven't seen one of these fail yet. Somebody will prove me wrong and tell me that they have one that's broken. That happens, but overall construction of these is really, really nice. It's not something where you're going to see a failure just easily or out of nowhere. And again, as far as the overall construction, I don't think I can quite get it on video. Not really, but where the nose pad's attached to the frame front, very similarly to the temple design, you've got, again, very minimal buildup of that material. So it's just all very nice, mostly seamless, a very, very well done, classic, cool looking aviator. Looks way better than me rocking the long quarantine hair that I can't do anything with and trying to look cool anyways. At least I have these sunglasses to help with that in the meantime, right? Yeah, I think so. Anyways, that's all I've got today. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, follow along. We do a lot of these video reviews of sunglasses, but we also do a lot of more technical stuff. I'm a little low on technical stuff right now just because you guys aren't giving me as many ideas lately. I blame you for this. That's why we have more frame reviews now. Good problem to have, I guess. Also, I've built a new e-store website. Check that out. Let me know your thoughts on it, too. I always love hearing feedback from you guys across all things, so whether it's my website or this or a problem you have or whatever, I love it. It gives me more stuff to work with, more material. I love it. Anyways, thanks for being here. I'll catch you guys next time.